Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tabi from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the left horn. Draw a small line down here. Then from the top, draw an angled line to the right. And then the same thing on the bottom, but make it a bit longer. Now draw a long curved line to the top line here. Now from the top, draw a sideways V shape like this. And then a curve to close off the horn. Now let's draw the hat. On top of the horn here on the left, draw a curved line down. And then bring it over to the right now. On the right side of the horn, draw a curve over to the right. And then following that same line for the top of the hat, draw a diagonal line to the right. And then one more curve to close it off. Next, inside, draw a curve down the center of the right section. And then another small curve in the left section here. Now let's draw the brim of the hat. From the bottom right corner, draw a diagonal line down and out. And then a curved line across to close it off. Now let's draw the other horn. From the top right of the hat, draw a curved line up and to the left. And then curve it back down for the other side. And that's it for the hat and horns. Let's draw the face now. Under the center of the brim, draw a curve down like this. And then a line down to the left. Now draw multiple pointed lines from the horn all the way down to close off the face. Next, in the top left of the face, draw an oval for the eye. Now a V shape down here for the nose. Let's draw his hoodie now. On the left side of the face here, draw a small line. And then angle it back down towards the chin. and then an angled line back up to create a V shape. Next, add a curved line across here. Now before finishing the hoodie, let's draw the arm. Starting just under the point we drew, draw a line down and curve it slightly outwards. From the top, curve it over and do the same thing for the other side. Now we can finish off the hoodie. From the side of the face, at the same level as the bottom of the eye, draw a curve down and then back into the top of the arm. And then continue that line on the other side of the arm and make another pointed V shape like above it. Next, from the bottom point in the V, draw two parallel lines down on an angle. Now from the face, draw a diagonal line down and out. And then curve it back and across to the arm, but slightly higher than the bottom of the two zipper lines we drew earlier. Next, draw two short lines down for the bottom of the hoodie. And then a curve across to close it off. Next, let's add some details to the hoodie. Draw a line across in the top left here. Now to draw the logo, start with a straight U shape in the top left here. Now draw the same shape but upside down on the bottom right. And then add straight lines on either side. Now connect each line across the top and bottom like this. Let's finish off the arm that we started earlier now. Draw angled lines in on the bottom of both sides. Now another angled line outwards on the left and then back in. Add another small bent line on the right like this. And then connect them across the bottom with a straight line. Let's draw the hand now. From the right side here, draw a small bent line. And then a curve down like this. Draw a curve down on the left side now. And then close it off with a wavy line across. Now add a curve on the right side for the thumb. and then 2 bumps underneath for the fingers. Lastly, add a rectangle inside here. Let's draw the legs now. Starting to the left of the zipper, draw a line down. Now the outer side of the leg with a line down to the hand, and then continue that line under the hand here. Now draw V shapes in on both sides. Then connect it across with the curve. Now do the same thing for the other leg. Let's draw the shoes next. For the back of the shoe, draw a curved line down here. Then for the top, draw an angled line. Then a curve for the top of the shoe. And close off the bottom like this. Now, draw another line across the bottom for the sole. Now to add some details, draw an angled line here parallel to the top of the shoe. Then add a curve across the center for the laces. And lastly, add a triangle at the back of the shoe. And a smaller triangle inside. Now draw the other shoe in the same way. Now let's finish off by drawing the other arm. Draw a short line down from the face to the hoodie. Now from the bottom side of the hoodie, draw a hook kind of shape over to the right here. At the end of the shape, draw an oval for the microphone. And then add the detailed lines inside here. Now draw the hand under the microphone like this. And then draw a square shape at the bottom for the bottom of the microphone. Next, follow the same wavy finger line on the right side here. Then draw a large U shape on the left. Next, draw a V shape inside for the thumb. And then lastly, draw the bottom of the sleeve with 2 bent lines inwards toward the leg. And that's it for Tabi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.